Hi, my name is Daniel Graversen. I'm the founder of PI Architecture and of FIGAF. Today I would like to talk to you about one of these things that I've noticed that often is done when you're doing integration projects. So, for instance, we're doing an integration project where we have the SAP system, and let's put this in the middle, and then we have some warehousing system and some other system have maybe some other finance, whatever. And then in this process we just figure out, well, during the blueprint phase we figure out, well, we need an interface up here for sending purchase order, for instance. And it needs to return some packing, inbound shipping things, information. And we need to send something back and forth. And back and forth. And we also have the same up here where we're doing a lot of integration both the ways. And often all of these different components get just separated into different groups, and it might be a bit difficult to get a complete overview of what is going on, because if you need to find out what's going on in this one, you need to first see we have a purchase order. What happens when we're sent the purchase orders? Can we change anything, or are there any other documentations there? So what I've seen that it's a really good approach is just to think more on the processes. What are the processes that are involved in this organization? Maybe even look at the end-to-end processes that the project organization is looking at, and use those for grouping. So we could have a process that was inbound purchasing, and this inbound purchasing, just say, instead of using just use the swim lane, so we'll have the SAP system here, inbound, warehouse system, maybe finance. And using this method we would say, oh well, the SAP system sends purchase order in some way to the warehouse system. The warehouse system then sends an acknowledgement that it has received it, but it doesn't really do anything. The SAP system says, just say, well, we have acknowledged it or whatever. But if we haven't grouped this into different categories, we'll just see that we have way too many organizations in this, and it'll be a bit complex to get the full overview. And then we do have some saying that says we'll have received the goods. Goods retrievement, and maybe we do have an thing here back to the FI saying some FI transaction relating to this. So using this method, and this should of course be done using the scenarios, because then we will actually have a documentation of the whole process, and when we do document this, it will also be much easier because we have the whole flow in this, and if we have the scenarios, then that will also create much bigger area of organization. So I hope this is useful and something that you find you can use in your life. Please leave a comment below and let me know if you find it useful or not, or are there any other aspects of this that I could use. So thanks for watching.